Yes, you can shift into your desired reality. You can completely transform your entire reality. You can completely turn your entire life in a positive direction. You really do have this power. You have the power to create your reality. You have the power to quantum shift, to quantum leap into the kind of reality you want to experience. We live in a quantum universe. And why is it so important to understand is that the quantum universe is limitless. It's basically limitless. There is an infinite number of possibilities, of realities that you can tune into. And you are always tuned into some kind of reality. You do this based on your current vibrational frequency, based on where your current dominant energetic field vibrates at the moment. So your current reality you're experiencing right now is just something you're attuned into. And if you don't like it, you can just tune into something else, because we live in a quantum universe. And you are energy. Everything in the universe is energy. And it is just like the most liberating, beautiful principle. Because this principle allows you to understand that there are so many infinite possibilities to turn your life around. Because sometimes when people are manifesting something, they just like become so fixed on this thing that my manifestation can come to me only in this way, or my manifestation can come to me only in that way. And this is not true, because we live in this universe of infinite possibilities. So when you align your energy with the energy of the reality you want to experience, this reality is going to come to you in the most effortless, aligned, happiest, and fulfilling way. And sometimes even like your limiting human mind cannot conceive in which way this manifestation is going to come to you. That's why I always say people, how is not your job in the creation process? How is really not your job in the creation process? Your job is to align with the reality you want to experience. Your job is to embody the state of the wish fulfilled, embody the state of your desired reality, because this state essentially is going to help you shift into this reality. So your current state of being, your current frequency, your current vibration created your current reality. So by just like paying attention to what's going on in your current reality, you might know what's going on inside you. And you might address certain beliefs and certain feeling and thinking patterns that are not serving you anymore, and you can start working on them and releasing them and healing them and cleansing them and letting them go. And you can start establishing a new, better belief system, because this new, better belief system will lead you to experiencing a new, better thoughts and emotions. And what is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. So when you change your emotion, your dominant emotions, you essentially just change your entire energy field, and you tune into a new possibility, a new reality. So if you already know what kind of reality you want to experience, all you have to do is start feeling the emotions that this kind of reality would give you, because these emotions, they're just going to charge you energetically and allow you really to connect to this reality and tune into the frequency of this reality, and that's shift into this reality. This is just the magic of the quantum universe. This is just the magic of just everything being energy in this universe. And you can just like play with this energy and mold this energy however you want. You really can have anything you want, because you are the creator of your reality. But you have to become aware of the fact that you are the creator of your reality. Because you're not just creating a one-story manifestation you want to manifest, like you're creating your entire life. And this is what you need to become aware of in order to create your reality by design rather than by default. Because, wow, it's okay, you're manifesting a new car. That's great. But apart from manifesting your new car, like you're also manifesting your entire reality at the same time. So yes, you're focusing on this like deliberate manifestation you want to create, and that's great. But also focus on what you're putting out every single day, because these thoughts, these feelings, they are creating your life. So if you want a whole different reality, then you need to become a whole different person on the vibrational level. You have to put on a whole new identity, because this identity will help you to shift into this reality. Because the only way to shift into your desired reality is to match the frequency of this reality. This is the universal principle. Everything is energy in the in this universe. You want something? Align with this vibrationally, match its frequency, and you have no other choice but to get it, because this is how the universe works. Everything is energy in the universe. So when you allow yourself to embody a whole new energetic state, you start sending out a whole new message to the universe, a whole new frequency to the universe. And you have no other choice but to start witnessing positive shifts and positive changes in your reality, because your reality will start to confirm your new state of being, because reality is your mirror. Remember about the mirror principle. Reality is nothing else than your mirror. So if you change yourself, your reality also has to follow. So let's say that you used to uphold a very negative limiting beliefs about abundance, and you're always this person is like, oh, I don't have enough, I never get enough, I'm just like not abundant, it's hard for me to get abundance, it's hard for me to get money. But then you become aware that you don't have to uphold these negative limiting patterns anymore, and you start working on them, reprogramming your subconscious mind, reprogramming yourself, and you start feeling like an abundant person. You start putting on the identity of the abundant person, and you just like live in the state of your wish fulfilled, of the state of infinite abundance. And the more you uphold this state, and the more you allow yourself to think from this state and feel from this state, the more you embody your new abundant reality on a vibrational level, on an energetic level. And eventually there's gonna be like this, like something will click, and it's gonna be this energetic connection, and you're just gonna embody this reality and connect to this reality and shift into this reality. And you will start noticing like abundance just coming to you much more easily, abundance coming to you from like expected and unexpected sources. And the more you embody the state, the more abundance you get, because you are on a whole new frequency, you are in a whole new reality. You are no longer upholding the identity of the person who is not abundant. You are embodying a whole new identity of a rich person, of an abundant person, and essentially your reality just has to reflect that. And that's the beauty of like shifting your state of being. It gives you a whole new reality, because energetically you are no longer the match for all of these low vibrational patterns. So the key to shifting into your desired reality is always embodying it inside you, embodying it on an energetic level. So who do you want to be? What kind of a reality do you want to create for yourself? Start thinking like this person. Start feeling like this person. Start behaving like this person. Start thinking the thoughts of this person. Start acting like this person. Start making the decisions that this person would make. Focus on the things and passions that this person would focus on. And all of this like little things will allow you to feel like this person. The more you feel like this person who's already experiencing this reality, the more you emphasize these positive emotions, the more you connect to this new reality, and eventually it will become your new state of being, and you will shift into this reality. So I hope this was helpful, and I know that right now you will understand how much power you have over your reality, and that you are the creator of your reality, and you can have anything you want as long as you follow the quantum principles of creation, because you have to become it internally before you can become it externally. And that's the beauty. Really, everything starts inside you. It never starts outside of you. So you have the control over your reality. So pay attention to your thoughts. Pay attention to your feelings. Pay attention to the energy you're sending out into the universe, because this energy is essentially creating your reality. So the more harmonious and positive and joyful this energy is, the more harmonious and positive and joyful your reality will become. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.